We're getting you the latest as far as the murder of Radhika Yadav is concerned. Big revelations in the tennis champ murder probe. Deepak was told he is unable to control his daughter. Deepak told their daughter Radhika to shut down the tennis academy. Radhika refused to shut down the tennis academy. Radhika had spent 2 crores on the academy. Deepak was suicidal over daughter's refusal. Radhika, remember, shot dead by her father when she was in the kitchen preparing a meal on her mother's birthday. This has got to do with disgruntlement as far as the shutting down of the tennis academy is concerned. Milan has more on that. Milan, why was he continuously asking his daughter to shut down the academy? What was the bone of contention here?
Well, Sneha, as far as the police sources are concerned, they are saying that the daughter was asked not to work in the academy, not to run the academy because the family wanted her to be a national level tennis player, and that could have happened, but had she not injured her arm, and that actually led her to stop playing tennis and then move on to doing coaching in academy, which was not now, as per initial details coming forward, was not agreeable with the father. Also, she wanted to make Instagram reels. She wanted to, be active on social media. She wanted to be a social media influencer. This is something that was also not agreeable to the father, is the details that have been coming out in the police investigation as far as sources are concerned. But let me show you, this is the house that is where the murder took place, and Deepak Yadav, fired at his daughter 3 bullets there, 2 in the chest and 1 in the lower back that led to her death. That too on her mother's birthday, and the mother has refused to register, any statement with the police. The police are investigating. 1 day judicial custody of the father has already been taken by the police, but family here has come in. Extended family members from the village have come in. A lot of, sources also said that the father was pressured by the people in the village. One of the family members was from Kapaseda, who we spoke to. He said that none of that sort was said to the father, that he's living off the earnings of his daughter, etc., etc. These are just claims that are being made, but the police sources say that that was one of the reasons Deepak Yadav was angry, he was frustrated, he was furious, and he also seemed very upset with the way his daughter wanted to take her career into her own hands. So these are the initial details that have come out, and of course, support from the family was there because 2.5 crore rupees were invested as the family's household. The families, did businesses in PG. It's a cash-rich business. It's not like they don't have money. They are cash flushed, and also the fact that this is not the only property that the family has. So there was no financial burden as such that the child would have had to bear in any case. So whatever has been adding up to the sum of the details does not really add up to what could have actually caused the father to take such a drastic step by killing his own daughter in brutal, cold-blooded murder. Sneha?
Well, absolutely. Milan, I'm going to leave it at that for the moment. Milan Sharma getting us those details from Gurugram, where this young girl lived. Radhika Yadav was being shot dead by her father. Well, the reason, another one, is that she was making Instagram reels and the father was upset. The victim was shot dead on her mother's birthday at 10 in the morning in her house in Gurugram. The police have arrested the accused father. He was produced in the court earlier today, which granted him a day's police custody. According to our sources, Radhika wanted to become an influencer. She met big social media influencers. But her father, Deepak Yadav, was upset about his daughter making reels and posting them on Instagram. Radhika's post-mortem is underway in Gurugram Hospital. Also, sources indicating that Deepak was upset about his daughter running a tennis academy, something that we spoke about. In agitation, he fired 5 bullets at his daughter, 3 of which hit her. Cops are probing all the angles in the case, including the mother's role during the act of crime. Also probing Radhika's social media account. 25-year-old Radhika was a well-known state-level tennis player who had won several competitions. She also competed in various national and international tournaments.
अच्छा, एक तो जो इसका ना अम्युनिशन बरामद करना है।
अच्छा।
जो सर्विस रिवॉल्वर था, तो उसने जो असला लिया था उस समय कितने अम्युनिशन खरीदे
ठीक
थे,
है।
वो अम्युनिशन ने जो हमारे से 6 बरामद हुए हैं, बाकी बरामद करने हैं।
रिमांड पर भेजा। अब कितने दिन की रिमांड मिली है?
एक दिन का मिला है।
एक दिन का।
हाँ, वही मोटिव है कोई।
सर क्या टेनिस एकेडमी से नाराज?
हाँ वैसे उसी से, हाँ उसी से।
तो लेकिन सर इसका तो ऑलरेडी इतना किराया आता था लाखों रुपए, फिर उसके बावजूद भी क्यों मारा, समझ में नहीं आया। ये कोई लव एंगल या फिर ऑनर किलिंग तो नहीं है?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है,
हैं?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है।
देखिए, इसमें कल सेक्टर 56 पुलिस स्टेशन को एक इन्फॉर्मेशन एक प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल से मिली थी कि एक लड़की है जिसको कि कुछ गोलियां लगी हैं, तो हॉस्पिटल में है। इसके ऊपर हमारी पुलिस की टीम हॉस्पिटल पहुंची थी, तो पाया गया था कि वो युवती थी जो डेड अवस्था में थी। उसके घर पहुंच करके पुलिस के द्वारा पता गया तो पाया गया कि उसका नाम राधिका था, जो कि 25 वर्षीय युवती थी और ये कोई टेनिस अकेडमी चलाती थी। तो पुलिस के द्वारा इसमें कंप्लेंट मिलने के ऊपर एफआईआर रजिस्टर कर ली गई थी। इस घटना को अंजाम देने वाले इसके पिता जो दीपक थे, उनको पुलिस के द्वारा अरेस्ट कर लिया गया था। जो घटना में प्रयोग किया गया वेपन था, एक वो लाइसेंसी वेपन था, उसको पुलिस के द्वारा स्पॉट से सीज कर लिया गया था। इसमें पुलिस के द्वारा एक्यूज से इंटरोगेशन की गई है, पूछताछ की गई है, तो उनके द्वारा इसमें बताया गया है कि वो उसके टेनिस एकेडमी चलाने से नाराज़ थे, जिसको कि बंद करने को लेकर वो काफ़ी बार बोल चुके थे। एक्यूज़ का कहना था कि वो आर्थिक रूप से बिल्कुल समृद्ध है, तो उसकी लड़की को कोई भी ट्रेनिंग एकेडमी चलाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, परंतु बार बार मना करने के बाद भी वो ट्रेनिंग एकेडमी चलाती रही और उसने बंद करने से मना कर दिया। इसी बात के ऊपर कुछ पारिवारिक विवाद हुआ और ये गुस्से में आकर के उन्होंने अपने लाइसेंसी वेपन से 3 गोलियां मार करके अपनी बेटी की हत्या कर दी।
ये बताओ, राधिका कहाँ काम करती थी?
पहले यहाँ करती थी, अब पहले यहाँ करती थी, अब छोड़ दिया यहाँ से।
तो राधिका यहाँ कितने बजे आती थी खेलने?
यहाँ पहले आती थी, सुबह भी आती थी 6 बजे से लेके 9-8 बजे तक।
कभी बातचीत हुई थी? तो मिले थे कभी?
हाँ,
कैसी थी?
मैम अच्छी थी और उनके पिताश्री भी अच्छे थे।
ये उनके पिता क्या कभी आके नाराज होते थे?
नहीं
राधिका जब आती थी तो कभी कोई गुस्सा होता था, कभी ऐसा कभी देखा हो?
नहीं,
माँ पिता के साथ कैसा रिलेशन था उनका?
अच्छा था। यहाँ पे घूमने आती थी पिताश्री और वो भी आते थे, तो मिलके खेलते उनके कुत्तों के साथ। हाँ,
पुलिस यहाँ पर निकाल के लेके आ रही है। आप देखिए फ्रेम में आपको दीपक नजर आएंगे, दीपक यादव को लेकर के पुलिस आ रही है। आप यहाँ देखिए सीधे कोर्ट लेके जाया जाएगा। आप सीधी तस्वीरें देख रही हैं सेक्टर 56 थाने
कोशिश 3 गोली लगी थी, तो फिलहाल पुलिस पूरे मामले की जांच में हुई है।
A person does something either to decrease the pain or to increase the pleasure, and the reels give immediate pleasure, and to increase that pleasure the person keeps on scrolling through the reels and watching the reels. It goes to such an extent that it starts hampering the social and occupational life of that person. For children it may be their academics, for adults it may be their professional life. And for children, when it happens, the guardians who are observing the children or who are taking care of the children get irritated. Initially what they will do is they will tell them politely not to do this, not to do this, or limit your time. But when the child is not listening, then it creates anger and which can lead to harmful steps.